Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all your Instagram messages at once in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. To do this, we'll need to quickly switch to a professional account. Tap the three lines at the top right, then use the search bar and type professional. From here, choose switch to professional account. You can pick either creator or business, and just go through the setup. Once that's done, go back to the home page, and then tap on the messages icon at the top right. Now long press on the chat you want to delete. Finally, tap the delete button. Repeat this process to delete all chats. Keep in mind there's no select all option, so you'll need to manually select each conversation before deleting, and that's it. That's how you can delete all your Instagram messages at once. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.